Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Sacred Space crate for the month of November. We're in a little bit of a different area of my house. This is actually the desk where I do my lives, if you guys ever come to my lives, and I hope that you do. This is pretty fun. Just because I'm trying to find an alternative space to film, so that if I can get up early or stay up later than my kid, which parents, it's hard. Sorry guys, a little bit. I thought a little higher would help with what you can see. It's hard to stay up later than my kid even though I'm an adult, just because like life is exhausting right now. But thank you for understanding, and I know that you do. Okay, this is a really weird angle. What do you guys think of that? Okay. Ta-da! All right, let's look inside. Okay, we got our Sacred Space crate. For those of you who don't know, let me just show you. Ta-da! Looks like that. Let's go back to here. All right, the element of Earth. Okay, I'm going to put this over here just because I always look at the paperwork last. The November, very pretty. I love that. So it's kind of like just the forecast, the lunar forecast for the month of November. Always a nice touch. It's one of the things that she includes regularly. We've got some earth incense. Ooh, the whole box smells divine. So I'm going to scooch this up a little bit. Oh! Kloss Formula Antibiotic First Aid Ointment. Echinacea, Agustifolia root, golden seal root, myrrh, cayenne, sunflower oil, and beeswax. I love this stuff. This is one of the main reasons why I decided to start this box, was just because I'm really in love with this kind of magic, the very practical magic, and I love it. We've got a stone here. It's very sparkly. Sorry, remove this. Remove myself a little bit more. I don't know if you can see it very well. I'm not sure what it is. Alright, we have a beautiful little bag here. It's a tree. It feels very nice. Got a little like a rose gold looking chain. Oh wow. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Very, very pretty. I love it. Okay. So let's kind of get that a bit organized. And I will zoom out a bit. Because I believe you'll like to see everything that's come out of the box. Okay. Matter of fact, I can put this here and you can see everything. Alright. Looks like we've got a little ritual oil here. Earth ritual oil. It's got some stuff floating in it. Some stones, some herbs. I like that. Oh, we got my little glass jar of herbs. I need to buy a second one of these to go with my first one. Vervain. Nice, very nice. I like that. We've got, oh, pretty bracelet. Appears to be tiger's eye, but I gotta get it out of there just to be sure. It's got a beautiful cuff here. I mean, it definitely looks like tiger's eye to me. Very nice. Oh, it says yellow tiger's eye. Very nice, very nice. We have got a cauldron cake lip balm. Soybean oil, sunflower oil, beeswax, vanilla bean, cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E, aloe vera. Cute, cute. Ooh, what is this? It looks like little cakes. The fruit of knowledge, soy wax. Oh, cool. That's a different thing. Oh, I love the candle. Can't wait. I just love these. Smells like trees. Earth. Almost got a like an incantation here. I'm gonna put that like sideways there. Maybe I'll put it here. Can you guys see everything still? Yes, I think so. I feel like that's gonna get knocked over because I'm kind of a clumsy person. Alright, so every box has had like the art of the element. And so, oh wow, this one's really pretty. Beautiful. That's upside down. It's upside down. It's a tree and it's beautifully textured, and these are the roots. And of course that's the earth symbol. Earth and water point down, right? And air and fire point up because they rise. And earth and water sink. So beautiful. I absolutely love it. I love this box. I know. I say that every time, but the reason I get these boxes is because I love them. And this is a very nice quality box. I've been loving the theme that she's been working through. And I'm super excited for what she creates in the future. Let's just read really, really briefly through the insert. This month we will move to the north to embrace and give gratitude to the element of earth. Earth is our home foundation. Home foundation. It is the one elemental force that is solid. But ask yourself if you have really spent time getting to know earth. What do you know about earth? How does it feel in your skin? What does it smell like? What does it whisper to you? Our current body is made from earth, and when we pass to the next life, our bodies return to earth. Now think about this. Every day earth is healing herself, growing back trees and plants so that life can sustain itself on her. If our bodies are made up of the element of earth, then it's obvious that earth can also heal our bodies. Challenge yourself to spend more time than not getting to know her over the next month. Greet and connect her with bare feet and hands, and if possible, lay naked, or as naked as legally allowed, on her so that you can absorb her healing energies through your skin. So, the Earth Element wall plaque, the Crystal Tree of Life pendant, which is very, very cool, very amazing. So cool. I'm so proud of how these beautiful pendants turned out. The large clear quartz crystal is wrapped with rose gold wiring and adorned with amethyst, green aventurine, red jasper, citrine, and clear quartz crystal stones shaped into a tree to represent the tree of life. It symbolizes the interconnections of life and the flow of creation, also known as the tree of knowledge. The tree of life, with its seeds, branches, and roots, signifies the family tree. It will infuse abundance and prosperity into your life. When you wear it, it promotes beauty, health, good luck, and healing. This pendant comes in a burlap drawstring pouch, which is adorned with a tree charm that you can regift or store your magical items in. Rose gold necklace change. It's made with 925 sterling silver and then wrapped in rose gold so that it would match the rose gold pendant. I had these chains steel so they didn't wear from any humidity while in transit. Tiger's eye bracelet. Beautiful. Tiger's Eye stones are the master of grounding your energies to the earth. It makes a great go-to protection stone as well. Tiger's Eye is a rare mineral that can be used as a protective amulet since ancient times. It was believed that the stones have magical properties that protect people from evil forces and spirits as well as death and wounds. That is why they were used by warriors and soldiers. Considered a stone of success and wealth, as well as a stone of happiness, optimism, and joy because it improved mood. It helped to achieve goals and high concentration. It sounds like she strings these herself. So there's two options. So I got the 8mm one, but some are larger millimeter stones. Okay. Rough green zoisite with ruby stone. Oh. I was like, what is that? That's this. Oh. This is kind of green. There might be like ruby right there. Zoisite with ruby, also known as annulite, is an amazing natural mineral combination. Ruby is a stone of courage and strength and purges any fear or anxiety that sit with us daily. Green zoisite's energy produces growth and fertility in all aspects of life. It helps us rebirth and have a better understanding of ourselves and our connection to the outside world. For many people who are not spiritual and just recently awakened their spirituality, this stone helps you along your journey of rediscovering yourself. Earth Ritual Oil. Family recipe that I've been excited to include in the box for a very long time. It has lavender, marjoram, cedarwood, sandalwood, and bergamot with a very grounding earth scent. It has tulsi, and which is holy basil, and dried lavender flowers, and tiger's eye and unakite. Very cool. Vervain in a glass herb jar. Vervain is native to the UK. It is one of the most sacred plants of the Welsh witches. This old world native was a favorite of the Druids as well, who gathered vervain when the dog star Sirius was on the rise in the dark of the moon. The Druids utilized vervain in divination, consecration, and ritual cleansing of sacred spaces. Very cool. Earth 7-day prayer candle. Very cool. What's the smell that she used? It's adorned with tiger's eye and unakite stones. Very nice. And filled with quartz crystal chips to magnify the power of your spells. I scented this candle so that it would smell like freshly cut lawn. Very cool. Earth incense sticks. I've officially found my all-time favorite incense in these sticks. So it is tonka bean, patchouli, shaved cedar, rich amber, jasmine, rose, and oak moss. Very cool. Can't wait to burn them. There's a Element of Earth Book of Shadows page. The moon and the zodiac calendar. There's the bonus items, which is the Kloss Formula Solve. Jethro Kloss was an herbalist enthusiast who wrote the book Back to Eden in 1935 and is still famous for his Kloss liniment formula. In her book, Herbal Recipes for Vibrant Health, herbalist Rosemary Gladstar says of Kloss's liniment, "This is a very old, very strong recipe and is one of the finest disinfectant remedies you'll ever have on hand. This liniment is useful for reducing inflammation of the muscles, cleansing wounds, and soothing insect bites. I took his formula and made it into a salve as opposed to an alcohol liniment and have had great success with it. It's the only ointment that I have ever used that will take the burning pain from a minor burn away immediately. Although this is my most go-to ointment, I have been putting off adding it in the box because of the high cost of making it. The star of the show in this formula is golden seal root, which retails for about $400 US a pound. It is also over-harvested in the wild, so I will only purchase from an organic farmer. Golden seal acts as a natural antiseptic for wounds as it contains the chemical berberine, which is known to have effects against bacteria and fungi. Apply to wounds, minor burns, rashes, bug bites, and stings. Very, very cool. Cauldron Cake Lip Balm. It adds moisture and health back to your lips, but smells like a freshly made cauldron cake. Yay! Fruit of Knowledge Wax Melts. These wonderful smelling wax melts are from Moonshadow Essential Soaps and more by one of the sweetest and most beautiful witches that I've ever come across, Jennifer. I try to purchase items from witches in our community as much as I can, and Etsy is a great source to find their stores. I would rather pay a little extra to support our community than to buy off Amazon. So cool. Next month is the element of water. Yay! So very nice. I love it. So as always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. You guys know that I love this box. I can't wait to use these items. I love the smell. Everything's really high quality. I'm very excited. I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.